Welcome back. So, smartphones have become very regular in our life. We keep on changing as the trend is getting changed each and every time. So, if you say 2 years or 3 years once, we have a big update. So, we are tempted to update our mobile phones. So, while updating our mobile phones, we usually sell our mobile phone to someone else, online store or some person to person. So, it may vary. So, before selling the phone, normal mistake what we do is we just connect our phone to the system and copy all the datas we have to the system, and we just factory reset and erase everything from it. So the problem is when we copy files, copy paste, normal copy paste format, there is a problem. There will come some error, there will be some doubt of missing some datas. So to clarify this, I have made this video. So the best thing to do before selling your phone is backing up properly. What is that backing up properly means? From the mobile device, we have the option. So in this case, I have used Android 14. In this Android 14, I will show you how to back up properly so that there is no loss of your data. So go to settings and go to about phone and scroll down. You will see backup and restore. Press backup and enter into the backup to computer. Press backup to computer. So you are pressing it, you are going inside, there will be instructions, it will get backed up, it will show what are the data you needed in it. So that it is listed, check that it is all enabled, then continue. So it gets back up, the phone itself processes it, and it makes sure that all of your data whatever you want is getting backed up. So when this percentage runs to 100, it will be converted into one single file, and that can be copied to your system. So that will be very easy for you to restore it if you want it. So all the data will be stored there very safely. So the next thing to do is factory reset, completely delete everything from your phone. So it takes some time to completely erase your data from the phone. So after this process, it will become like a new phone. So now you can sell it to anyone without any doubt. So be careful while handling your data, and hope this video is very useful for you. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.